Hi, lovelies. Guess which soup is this? Huh? I'm listening. Yeah, you are right. Egusi soup with bitter leaf. Yeah. So here are the ingredients for preparing the egusi soup. I have the egusi here, that is the melon seed, and the okpeyi. The black thing you are seeing is okpeyi. The English name is castor seed. Then I have goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll be using cow stripe too. This is cow stripe. Then I have dry fish. Okay. I'll also be using stockfish. This is the stockfish here. Then the crayfish. I have grounded crayfish here. Then I'll be using 3 scotch bonnet pepper. You can see the eyes is from the freezer. I have knorr cubes. I have salt. I have red oil, Nigerian heritage. Okay. Then I have the bitter leaf. Remember, you can use any leaf of your choice while cooking egusi soup. And I have onion here. I'm using white onion. You can use red one if you like. It's all your choice. So I'll be cooking the bitter leaf first. I'm cooking it in order to remove the bitterness in it. You can see the bitter cup. So I always boil it to remove the bitterness. Okay, it's all your choice, like I said. If you don't want to cook the bitter leaf, remove the bitterness, you can still use it that way. So I will drain the water from the bitter leaf and then wash it twice and set it aside. So over to the clean dry pot, I then add the goat meat. I've added the goat meat and then the cow stripe. I will now go ahead to season it with salt, knorr cube for seasoning, and then chopped onion. I will cover it to cook for 15 minutes without adding it any water. This will make the meat to absorb all the ingredients added to it and makes it to taste yummier. Okay. Okay. So after that, I just washed the stockfish and I added the stockfish to it so that it will cook together. They all have the same cooking time. So I'll now cover it. So this is after 15 minutes. As you can see, the meat has brought out its own stock. Okay, remember I did not add any water. So I'll now stir it and then add water enough to cook the meat. Remember, when adding your water, you add it at the same level of the meat. Okay, you know, it's not all meat that cook faster. It depends on the meat. Like this particular meat now, goat meat I'm using, it takes time to cook. Okay, that's why I added enough water to cook it. So I just cover the pot and allow it to start the journey of cooking. So over here, I've grounded the egusi and the castor seed. The black thing you're seeing there is castor seed. And I forgot to show you guys the red bell peppers. I'll be using red bell pepper for the soup too. Okay, you can see how big it is. So big. So I'll be blending the red bell pepper with the scotch bonnet pepper and I will set it aside. Back to our meat. Is all well, not all well cooked, it's 70% cooked now. And we then scoop it aside. But before scooping it aside, I will use the water, the stock water, to add inside the egusi. Okay, you can add warm water or cold water inside the egusi to mix it together. And then you can see I added onion inside the egusi. It's optional. Okay, but adding the onion will make it to curdle and adds flavor to it. Okay, so I'm adding the stock water. This will make the egusi to taste more yummy. Then I add water enough to mix it and then set it aside. Now proceed to scoop all the meat aside because I'll be using the pot to fry the egusi. I like frying my egusi. You know, there are many methods of cooking egusi. Okay, but I love the frying method. So I'm done scooping all the meat. I'll now put back the pot to dry all the water. So over here, I'm mixing the egusi now. Remember, I just added water to it. So I'll all mix it well to combine. Over to the pot. It's all dried now. So I went ahead to add the red oil. Then proceed to add the blended red pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, what happened at this stage? My phone went off because it was overheated. So I allow it to cool off before continuing with the video. So I've added the blended bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. Lovely. So you can also add the onion before adding the bell pepper. Because I added onion inside the egusi, there's no need adding onion for frying again. Okay, you can still add it after adding it inside the egusi. It's all your choice. So I stir well to fry and then go ahead to add the crayfish. So now keep for seasoning and I stir them well. Already the salt has started singing for me. Do not pass me, gentle honey. I laughed and said, okay, follow me, no wahala. So I added the salt too and I stirred it well to combine. At this point, the salt is so happy that I didn't left it by. So I now went ahead to add in the egusi. Okay, you can see the way I'm molding in the egusi. It will make it to have this rumpy texture. Okay, and that's if you like it that way. So I'll cover it to cook for 10 minutes, and this is 10 minutes. I will now use my spoon to dissolve it. Okay, because I don't want it to be too lumpy. So I will just dissolve it a little. I can't forget to thank all my newest subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. I'm so glad to have you here. Lovelies. And to my returning OGs, my returning amazing subscribers, I love you all. You guys are the reason why I'm doing this. May God bless you all. And if this is your first time of seeing this video or coming across my channel, I'm so glad that you stopped to watch this video. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell to know when I post a new video. Okay, please subscribe and be part of this family. Thank you so much. So I went ahead to add in the meat, stockfish and every orishi. Okay, I will now stir it well to combine. So I was stirring it, the meat was sinking. I can see everything turning around, everything turning around, everything turning around for my good. Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I don't want it to be too boring. That's why I'm making it funny for you guys. So I just added the washed dry fish. I washed the dry fish with clean water and salt. I washed it 3 times. And then I rinsed off the bowl to bring out every remaining particles in the bowl. So I stirred it and then went ahead to add more water, enough to cook the soup. Okay, so when adding your water, you add according to the quantity of the soup you want to cook. Okay, so I'm cooking a big pot because I have visitors that came all the way from Nigeria to see also. They are 4 in number, so I have to cook a big pot for them. That's why I'm adding more water. So add water according to the level of soup you are cooking. So I now stir it well to combine and now cover it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, and this is 10 minutes. You can see bubbles dancing kukere on top of the soup. So I stir it well now and then go ahead to add another crayfish, a little crayfish this time, and salt to taste, and then achi. I don't know if you know what is achi. You can use achi to thicken your soup. You can use achi or ofo, depending the one you like adding in your soup. So, but if your soup is consistent enough, you don't need to add the achi. But if it is not, you can add the achi to make it consistent. Okay. So I add the achi and then stir it well to combine. If you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Subscription is free, it doesn't cost anything. Okay, and turn on the notification bell. Also like, comment and share to your family and friends. Thank you so much. So I'm done stirring it well. I will now cover it to cook for 5 minutes, and this is 5 minutes. At this point, our soup is getting ready. So I will now go ahead to add the bitter leaf. Lovely, which kind of leaf do you prefer cooking your egusi with? Is it spinach, pumpkin leaf, uziza, or bitter leaf? Which one do you like? Write it down on the comment section. I want to know. So after adding the bitter leaf, I now start it well to introduce it to other friends of the ingredients that I've added. Okay. Then I went ahead to test it. You know our Nigerian style of testing our soup. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So here it is. Mamma mia, this tastes heavenly, seriously. So I covered it to cook for 5 minutes. And tada! Our egusi soup with bitter leaf is all ready. Can you perceive the aroma from there? The soup is souping, right? So lovelies, which type of swallow do you like enjoying your soup with? Is it pounded yam, garri, semolina, wheat flour, oatmeal fufu? Which one do you love enjoying your soup with? Thank you for watching to this moment. I so much appreciate you all. See you in my next video. Bye.